again, like I was saying, we are privy, EasyAgentPro, we're privy to the information that our clients, kind of give us from what they're doing on their website on a day-to-day basis. And I can tell you that the folks that are having a lot of leads come in and they're having really, really fabulous search results with Google are making Instafarm pages. And they're not making dozens of Instafarm pages. They might even just have one really good Instafarm page. But we had folks come on, there was a very specific property tax in a county in Northern California. And it was a huge Google search. It had a funny Latin name that I can't think of right now. But these folks just basically made an Instafarm page about that and a couple blog posts about that, and they just dominate search results for it. And they get so many leads from folks, kind of coming in that are looking for information about that. So just, think about what that niche is in your area and, kind of how you can lock down on it a little bit more. And you don't need 10 of these. You don't need 10 pages that are filled with information like the Salt Lake City page. I mean, it would help. It would be really good, but it's something that you can start now, have a little content, add to it, spend 5 minutes here and there. Your kids are probably home from school right now and driving you crazy. Make them research the 10 best restaurants in whatever neighborhood you want to farm from, and say you'll give them $10 to write up a little bit about it, and then use that content. Whatever you can do to be creative in this time, to be adding a little bit more content to your website is the thing that you're going to want to be doing right now, because as folks come on, it's going to be really great.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.